Meet the E20 electric bike, built for power, comfort, and everyday convenience. Equipped with a 1000W high-torque motor, this e-bike delivers thrilling acceleration and smooth hill climbing, reaching speeds up to 20 miles per hour. Ride longer with the 48 E13 removable lithium battery, offering dependable range and quick charging. Simply unlock, remove, and charge anywhere you want. The compact 20-inch frame paired with 20-inch by 3-inch fat tires gives you unbeatable stability on city streets, pavements, gravel paths, and even light off-road trails. Whether you're commuting, cruising, or exploring, the E20 adapts to every route. Shift effortlessly through 7-speed Shimano gears for total control, while the dual mechanical disc brakes ensure powerful stopping performance in all weather conditions. Comfort meets durability with an ergonomic saddle, bright LED headlight, and a strong frame designed for daily use. With style, strength, and smart engineering, the E20 is the electric bike built for every rider. Highlights: 1000W powerful motor for smooth acceleration, 48 V13 removable battery for convenient charging, up to 20 miles per hour top speed, 20-inch by 3-inch fat tires for all-terrain stability, 7-speed Shimano gear system, dual disc brakes for enhanced safety. Perfect for city commuting, short trips, fitness rides, and weekend adventures.